Alright, we are on the top floor of the DoubleTree by Hilton, SeaWorld. There's some of the villas, motel-style buildings down there. And you can get a really nice view of Aquatica up here. And you can also see the Ritz-Carlton and the Marriott and the JW Marriott in the distance. There's the Hilton Convention Center. Now, in this tower, the main elevators are all the way down here. But look at this. We got an individual elevator right here. Let's give it a ride. We may be waiting a while because it's just a single elevator here, so. Very nice view from up here. Hear it. Dover traditional. I hear it. Here it is. Okay. Get a look at the cab. About the same as the main ones, but this one is single slide. Right, down to one. Here we are on one. Take it up to 17. Here we are on 17. Let's go down to 1. Here we are on 1. And we'll get off here. Ring it. And there it goes. That'll be it.